In Manipur, several persons have landed in trouble with the law over public criticism of the state government's handling of the COVID-19 outbreak. As per official records, shows that police have invoked sections of the Disaster Management Act and the Indian Penal Code to press charges against them. K. Meghachandra, Imphal West Superintendent of Police, said in Imphal West alone, there are more than 27 cases being taken up, including one relating to sedition, 4 of those booked under the DMA.
So far we have taken up 27 cases, and out of that only 4 are under DMA, Disaster Management Act, and only 1 is under sedition. So total number of FIR is 27.
In the first week of April, Manipur police invoked DMA against Yumnam Devjit, sons of Manipur Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joykumar, who allegedly sent out a voice message requesting people to defy Prime Minister Narendra Modi's call for lights out. Meghachandra said a case was filed against Devjit for spreading false information, as his post can create panic. In Imphal West, the SP said there are over 4 cases under the DMA and at least 1 cases have sections of seditions, and other 22 cases for violating lockdown, and non-FIR cases of 423 was taken up.
2 for attending the congregation at Nizamuddin, and they came back silently without divulging. They mix up with other local people, their family members and locality after returning back without informing the authorities. So they were concealing. And another 2 is for spreading false information. The total number of non-FIR cases is 423. These are lighter penalties for violation of the lockdown.
In the crackdown during the lockdown period so far, Imphal West registered 2,788 cases being taken up under 41 CRPC. 3,894 have been arrested, 3,260 vehicles have been seized, 27 FIRs have been registered, and 423 non-FIR cases were taken up, as well as fine of rupees 2,07,550 have been collected.
Imphal West being the capital district, the largest and most important district of the state, we are having all the vital installations, offices, then all the important business establishments here. So we are taking a very unique measures also, unlike other districts.
In regards to the movement of vehicles in the district and public awareness in the district, he also said,
we put up all barricade at all the entry points at the district boundaries also, and at important junctions we screen the things. We are allowing only the vehicles which have been given curfew pass by the concerned authorities, and we are trying to limit those which were not given permit by the authority. The control room for the state, it's also monitoring it. Transport department is also monitoring it. We are maintaining social distancing and use of masks also we are ensuring.
While in Imphal, 2 activists of the Youth Forum for Protections of Human Rights were charged under sections of the DMA after the organization issued a press note questioning the locations of the proposed quarantine facility by the Manipur government. The 2 activists were released on bonds later. Similarly, a 27-year-old private school teacher and 5 others were arrested and booked for sedition, among other charges, after he, in a Facebook post, said he could not remember the name of his local MLA. They were released on bail after 2 days. At least 2 other persons were also questioned for Facebook posts on the government's handling of the COVID situation. Earlier in April last year, Kishore Chandra Wangkhem walked free after being detained for 4.5 months after the National Security Act for alleged derogatory comments against the Manipur government and the Chief Minister. Bureau Report.